Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeffree Star now, but anyways, this is such a good look. I'm just straightening my hair because we're going apartment shopping. Not actually apartment shopping, but like things for my apartment, you know. So if this is the first video you're watching of me, hi. But I am going to my sophomore year of university, college, whatever you want to call it. Some people care. I say college or university, it's the same thing here, okay? Okay. But I'm going to my sophomore year, which means I get to go to an apartment because usually if you go to college the freshman year, a lot of people just stay in dorms because, you know, they don't know where to go, which was me. And I hated it. I hated dorm life. So I'm excited to go to an apartment. It's really nice as well. You guys are gonna see it. I don't move until the 25th. So a tour and like moving vlogs and all that stuff will be coming around the 26th, and I don't start school till the 28th, so I'll do like a first day of school thing and stuff like that, and then we can get back into some fun college vlogs. So I also just had a realization. I'm ironing my clothes because it's wrinkly. Anyways, you can't even see me. Okay, I'm such a good vlogger. I had just had a realization that I might get kicked out or like said something because I have a camera in my face. So if I'm like discreetly vlogging inside of stores, that's probably why. But anyways, I'm gonna iron this shirt because I'm a functioning adult. I don't even think this is how you're supposed to iron clothes, but you know it works. So here's my outfit. Woo, so interesting. Why is it so dark in my room? Anyways, I'm gonna take my purse. I never carry purses because I despise purses, but we're gonna go for it. Yes, I'm becoming older and older. I'm so proud.
Who's my favorite? Who's my favorite? Yes, you are.
Don't you love when you're ready before your mom who tells you 12 and it's 12:01? I mean, who's on time? Me. I do need to record another video for my other channel, so I could do that right now, but I bet you if I start, she's gonna walk in and say, I'm done. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it when we come back. We should be back around like 5-ish, hopefully, maybe sooner. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna take 5 hours to shop because that's a no-no for me. So, you know, got a lot to do today. Never mind, I'm going back upstairs to record that video because she said she's gonna take 20 more minutes, which is perfect because that gives me enough time to record that video. So I'm gonna record that video real quick and then we're gonna leave. Oh, look at my timing is perfection. My voice hurts now from talking so much. Anyways, it is now 12:29 and my mom never screamed for me, so she's probably not even ready, and I've been ready all along, and I recorded a video. I'm so good at life. Okay, we're gonna see if she's done. Mother, are you done? She's not done. See, it doesn't have a price.
You want it? I can ask them.
No, I don't want it. It's too dark. It's too.
I told you first, so you don't listen to me.
Don't yell at me.
Don't recording me.
I can catch things though. Where did we go?
Ross and Good Home Good, whatever.
Good Home.
Home Good. Stop, Azreena.
We bought nothing. We gotta find some blue things, but not like dark blue, like a baby blue, you know, like a pastel blue or like a baby blue, but no one has. I saw a blanket. Did you see that online? Yes, I saw a blanket online. It was blue and it has like little tassels on it. It was $50. I'm not buying a $50 blanket. I'm trying to get footage here, okay, because I didn't vlog inside because I'm a fail. What? Then you put it in the trunk if you care so much. How much was this? $158?
$159.
We spent $159. Wow. And we still need more stuff. Maybe I should just like commute back and forth from your house so I don't have to buy anything. Oh.
Thank you.
Ow, my butt! It's hot. But anyways, I was such a failure at vlogging because I was scared, okay? I feel like that they're gonna kick me out or something, but we spent a lot of money and we still need a lot more. I'm vlogging. I'm gonna do a haul when I go home because I'm such a vlogger. Ow, it's so hard.
Do you want it?
Chick-fil-A. Ooh. It's so hot. So we're back. I'm just gonna eat some food because I'm hungry and and watch Jacksepticeye play Minecraft because I love that. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna edit this video that I need to upload soon, and then I'll do a haul of what all we bought. So I'll be back in a second for you, but it's probably gonna be like an hour for me, so BRB. So it's actually a couple days later and I'm burning hot right now. Like, I need to turn the fan on. But anyways, it's a couple days from last time I recorded. I actually did record the haul, but it was kind of ugly and stupid looking, so I'm recording it again in my room where it's not echoey and gross. So anyways, I was actually gonna record a video for my other channel, but the game is down, so I'm here recording the haul. So here we go. Also, that's why I have a ponytail on. I've seen that in face cams on my other channel. Having a ponytail just looks a lot better, and I'm burning hot. Like, why are you wearing a sweatshirt? It looks cute in the face cam videos, okay? But anyways, let's get into the haul. Opening the fan felt so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, also I'm sorry if I look bald. I don't know why. My ponytail is actually pretty high, so I don't know why it doesn't show, but whatever. So anyways, if I didn't mention, I think I mentioned, we went to Home Goods. It was a lot, it was so expensive. Like, the stuff there is so cute, I love it, but it's super expensive, and we were like, heck no. So we went to Marshall's. We also went to Ross. Ross sucks, let's just say. We went to Marshall's and we found almost everything. I still need to, like, you know, kitchen items and like basic necessity items, but for my room generally, we're done. So anyways, let's just get into it. We have tons of stuff, so let's get in with the bags first. So let's see what we got. Oh, also I got some new glasses. Don't you like them? I actually really like them. I don't think you can tell a difference, to be honest. They're just a little bit bigger and they're really cute. Yes, okay. Anyways, the first thing that we got was this bat mat thing. There's two of them and they were only $12.99, which is super cheap. They aren't the cutest thing, I would say, but you got two for $12.99, so they're cute for the price. We found two that were super cute, and it was like blue, it matched my theme. It was like a knit looking thing. They were $14.99 each, and I was like, oh my gosh, let's just do it. But then I was like, it's a bathroom and no one's gonna look at it but me, and maybe if I have friends over, they'll use the bathroom. That's it. So I was like, you know what, forget that. We're trying to save money here, okay? And then what else I have in here are some baskets. I wanted some cute storage items for my makeup and all my skincare because I have horrible skin. But I have a lot of that, so I got baskets for it. I wanted some like compartments or whatever, but these look really cute and they were only $7.99, which isn't that cheap, but they're not expensive, and you know, we're gonna use it. So we got that in there. One bag done. And then over here we got, oh my gosh, this is like the cutest thing ever. This is probably my favorite item that we bought. This was $9.99. It's only $10, and it's like five cups. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 cups. I can't count. There's 4 cups in here, and they are so cute, if you can see. And I got this to put next to my coffee machine because you know me, I love coffee. So we got that. I just love it so much. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. Okay, I'm so old. I'm excited about cups. Okay, anyways, I also got a chopping board, cutting board, whatever you want to call it. What is it? Cutting board. It's not a chopping board. There's 2 of them and it was only $5.99. Which is super cheap, and you get 2, so that's awesome. I wanted a cute one that was like wood and stuff, like a wood, you know, like a wood piece, those trendy things. And then I was like, it's a cutting board, okay? Drop your trendy attitude and buy the cheap stuff, okay? You're not 12 anymore. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be realistic. I'm gonna buy a chopping board because I do not care about my aesthetically pleasing stuff anymore. I still want to get some cute pots actually because I want to do some cooking with me's and I want to be cute in that. So I might buy like a teal pot. They were so cute. Like, I was gonna get one, but then my mom was like, you don't need one, but I need one. Okay. Why did I say okay like 5 times? I don't know. But anyways, here are our, oh, I was gonna fall. I'm actually like I'm actually on my knees because I'm short. But anyways, like I said, my theme is like black, blue, white, gray, all that jazz, you know. So for my bed, I have a white comforter already, so we didn't have to buy that. So we got a black little knit pillow. So this is what I was talking about, like knit. I found some of this kind of material for my bathroom mats, but then I was like, you know what, we don't need that. So we got this pillow, which was $20, sort of expensive, but also in Home Goods, one pillow was 24 bucks. So I think it was a steal, okay? And then next, we have this blanket, which actually started the whole trend of my room. I was gonna go for like a blue theme in my room, which you'll see in the carpet, but we found this and I was like, you know what, let's make my bed black and white. So that's what we're gonna do. And the bottom has just like such cute tassels. It's such a cute blanket. It's not the softest thing ever, but it's cute, you know? So this is what I was talking about, like a blue theme. This is what I wanted like throughout my room. This is what I wanted for my blanket, and I found a blue pillow in that black, but it was blue instead. And that's what I wanted in my room the most. But we got this blue rug, so then I was like, you know what, maybe I'll go back and buy another blue pillow and then some blue knickknacks, and all fit together. So we still need to buy maybe a blue pillow, but I don't really know, and then some blue knickknacks, we'll see. And I still need plants, but I don't know where to get that. I'm gonna probably go to TJ Maxx because my sister said there's a lot of nice plants there, so we'll go there. But anyways, I'm going off topic. We got this blue rug and it's so cute. I'm not gonna take it out because it's a giant rug, and this rug was $30, but it was on sale for 25 bucks. And for a carpet, rugs, whatever, that is a steal. So like, Marshalls, hit me up. Let's do a collab, okay? And then we got some shower curtains because I have my own bathroom awesomeness, and a shower little thing, liner thing, so the water doesn't come out. And then lastly, I just got a laundry basket because I need a laundry basket. I didn't get a rolly one or anything because I actually have the dryer and washer in my apartment, so I don't have to go anywhere, which is awesome. So that is all I got. It was $159, which sounds like a lot for just this stuff, but I mean, we got a carpet, we got blankets and pillows and all that jazz, and we technically have everything. All I need now is like basic necessity items and maybe some kitchen items and some knickknacks for my room here and there, and I think that's it. So that's basically all the stuff I got. Maybe we'll do another haul before I move. I move in on the 25th, so expect some vlogs. On the 24th, I might vlog me packing and stuff like that, so that'll be a vlog that will come on the 25th instead of me moving in, because that's gonna come on like the 26th probably. Then I start school on the 28th, so there's gonna be a lot more vlogs, I promise you guys, because I'm actually really enjoying the vlogging life. I feel like if I don't edit too much, I like it more, because editing takes so long, and I already have another channel where I edit a lot. Not that much, but like it takes me time, and I don't know. So if I don't edit my vlogs, are you okay with that? Like, not like, I'll still edit, but like, you know, not just too much, because I want to know, you know, do you like these vlogs? Do you like these vlogs with less editing? Or are you not gonna watch vlogs if they're not edited? So let me know, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Not sure what that's gonna be. Probably this weekend we're gonna buy a couple more things and stuff like that, so maybe I'll do another haul. I also bought a lot of clothes recently, so I might do a try-on haul for back to school. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Other than that, I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell on, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.